In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scrape any website using Make.com in just a few minutes. This process is a brilliant solution for anyone eager to automate the collection of data from various websites, making tasks not only more efficient, but also more streamlined. So, let's dive right in. First things first, start by opening your web browser and heading over to Make.com, a versatile automation platform that allows you to connect various apps and design custom workflows to suit your needs. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a Sign In option prominently displayed. Click on that and enter your login credentials to access your Make.com account. If you don't have an account yet, it's straightforward to set up. Just follow the on-screen instructions to register. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to your Make Home dashboard. From this point, our goal is to create a new automation scenario. Find the New Scenario button, which is typically located on the dashboard, and click on it. This action will direct you to the Scenario Creation page, where you can start building the workflow for your web scraping task. Now that you're on the Scenario Creation page, click on Add to begin defining the actions that will occur within this process. In the search bar that appears, type in HTTP and wait for the HTTP module to show up in the list of options. The HTTP module is essential for our task since it allows us to make network requests to any URL. Once you see HTTP in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This action introduces the HTTP component into your workflow. You're going to use this module to send a request to the website you wish to scrape. After adding the HTTP module, you'll be prompted to specify an action. Click on Make a Request. This selection enables you to define the details of the HTTP request. In the following options, ensure that you choose the GET method. The GET method is ideal for data retrieval, such as scraping website content. Next, you'll need to paste the URL of the website you wish to scrape into the appropriate field. Double-check that you've entered the correct URL, as this directs exactly where the HTTP request will be sent. And now for the final step, you'll see an option labeled Run Once. Clicking this will initiate the process and execute your scenario, sending the request to the specified URL and retrieving the desired data. With these steps completed, you should have successfully scraped a website using Make.com. This is such a powerful tool for web scraping, fitting for both beginners and seasoned professionals looking to automate and optimize their data collection processes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more videos for other useful tech tips and tricks.